JEGS Engine Oil Supplements combine lubricant and boost additive to create an additional protective film barrier essential to proper engine component assembly. These additives are recommended as an oil supplement for engine applications that require higher rates of anti-wear, lubricity, and friction-reducing additives not found in today's motor oil, e.g. zinc, thiophosphates, sulfonates, phenates. This supplement provides outstanding resistance to scuffing, wear, and friction during an engine's critical break-in period. Safe for rocker arm fulcrum balls, engine and needle bearings, roller tips, rocker shafts, cams, timing chain sprockets and gears, roller lifters, and the outer surface of hydraulic or mechanical lifter bodies. Log on to jegs.com today, the most trusted name in automotive performance. One call gets it all. One click gets it quick.
JEGS.